Alright guys, this is it. This is the last video of my 99 SE 4.0 Range Rover. It's been through a lot, or gotten me through a lot, I should say. I've done a lot of off-roading in it, never got stuck. I don't think I even got close to its potential. It's been more than reliable. Kind of fixing it up, replacing old parts in it like the radio, doing my rear struts, doing my cleaning it up inside, doing the front wipers up there and the rear wiper, doing the headlight wipers here, repainting the grille. Yeah, I've done a lot on it. Replaced the alternator, got a new battery for it. Replaced all the O-rings in my compressor. So and that clamp is there so I can mount my camera for showing you guys the engine bay, because I'm going to be doing one final wash on it before I take some pictures of it, because I got a new Range Rover. It's an 06 HSE. So I'm gonna have to say goodbye to this one, but it's kind of like a bittersweet moment, because this has been a great car, but it's time to move on. Can't stay in one place for too long. So gonna wash it up, got my stuff right here, and do a time lapse for you guys. Alright guys, that's the whole outside clean. Pretty quick wash, it wasn't that dirty. Got the wheels all scrubbed and cleaned up. So now I just need to dry off the door jambs. Looks like I missed some water here. Just dry off the door jambs, wipe it down inside, and yeah, it'll be ready for some pictures. But even the inside is pretty clean. This is as clean as the floor mats get. I scrubbed them last time I washed it, and they look the same afterward. They're just old, so they're like a little faded. But other than that, jumper cables. Yeah, it's pretty much done. I'll do a little recording, wipe it down the inside, but that'll be it. Alright guys, inside's all clean now, all wiped down. Well, I gotta take that stuff out. But everything's all wiped down. Seat, steering wheel, dash, console, the doors, the trunk area, everywhere. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some plastic restore on all the plastics, and then put a little low shine, tire shine on the tires, and then take some pictures. But yeah, I'll go ahead and record that. But after that, that's it. Well guys, that's it. It's all clean. Plastic's all restored. Got tire shine on. It's pretty low shine, but I just like it because it actually just makes them black if there's like dirt spots on the tires at all. But yeah, came out really shiny. Just looks good. Ready for a photo op. But gonna have to close this out because well, that's it. Nothing else to do on it. It's been a great car, like I said, but it's time to move on. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you out there.